My name is Sandra Pouliot. My line of work is mining environment. So I work for AtkinsRéalis as a senior mining environment engineer, mostly specialized in mine closure. So I undertake and lead mine closure projects, and as part of those mine closure projects, there are geosynthetic technologies that are used for us to be able to reclaim these mining areas once the production of the mines have stopped. I heard about the IGS because since geosynthetics is one of the options for mine closure, well, we have as consultants who give services to our clients, who sell expertise, we have to consider every engineering option in our design. And geosynthetics, geomembranes, geotextile, drainage possibilities are all methods that we consider. So it is our responsibility as designers to go out there and get the right information, to be on top of innovation. So basically innovation is what drives us to come and get the right information, and so that we can go back to our project and use innovative ideas and use the correct products or design to serve our clients and our projects. I am an individual member. I joined IGS right before, it's very recent, I joined IGS right before the last international conference in Rome. And going to Rome, I found out all of the advantages of being an IGS members, getting regular information on the geosynthetic worlds, different webinars that you can attend. And also, I joined the IGS Diversity Task Group. So IGS made me meet very interesting people with the knowledge that I was seeking, and basically an organization where I can keep up with these people and on a regular basis, basically. I think the IGS is the means by which people will come together in the world of geosynthetics. It's important to have an organization like that who has branches all over the world to basically keep everyone informed of good practices, of case studies. Like for me, case studies are of the utmost importance because that's where I see what's being done and where I can get new ideas for design or actually get the information I want. So the IGS makes that possible for us to get the information, to talk to people. When we come to these conferences, whether it's the international one or the Geo America conference, is to actually meet people and listen to the different talks that are given. And that's like priceless. It's how we keep on top of things. Because yes, there are articles out there, but we are so busy now in this world that you try to read an article or two once in a while, but most information you get is when you come to these conferences, and that's what the IGS makes possible. Well, in my sector of mining, because mining is also very diverse, I'm in mine closure. So in mine closure, the hot topics are perennity, durability of the solutions. Cost is also one very important aspect of what we design. We have to remember that everything in mining is overscaled. Mines are huge. Whether we're talking a tailings deposit or a waste rock pile, these are huge infrastructures that we have to find perennial solutions to last as we close and as we, for example, reclaim contaminated areas. So we take information and case studies, for example, that were used in landfills, but we have to adapt them. So it's, for us in mining, it's a whole adaptation of what's being done in all the other aspects of geosynthetics, whether it's erosion control, encapsulation of contaminants, sustainable, making reinforced roads, all of them. Drainage is also a huge issue because, of course, we have a lot of water to manage on these mine sites. So basically, for us in the mining world, we're basically taking just about all of the applications of the geosynthetics world and using them. So we're integrating into one project all of these aspects. So this is why for us, it's important to get the information because we basically have to use it all. Well, I'm a member of the IGS Diversity Task Force since it was first launched in Rome last September 2023. And I thought it was a brilliant initiative to actually integrate just society as a whole, the diversity that you see in our society. And as an engineer, I can tell you that the majority of my younger colleagues where I work, it is the full diversity. They come from a whole bunch of different countries. They're all an array of different colors, of different religions, of different backgrounds, cultural, religious, sexual orientation. And we have to know how to integrate everyone for the diversity of ideas, and also making sure that they feel welcome, that they feel that they belong with us. So that is very, very important because they come to our countries, whether we're in the States and Canada or wherever country in the world, these people will come and work with us, but they bring all their baggage with them. And so we have to make sure that they belong and that we can get we have this opportunity to have this diversity of ideas and making sure that they feel part of our team because we are the ones that are going to benefit the most from that. So this is why I feel that, because I see it in my projects as an engineer, a whole array of different nationalities, and I make sure that everyone feels like they're an integral part of our work and that everybody feels important. And that's our role and that's our responsibility. Well, how I could personally make sure that the IGS becomes more diverse and has a diversity of members, I think is just by talking about the IGS. I feel that sometimes we don't promote the things that we have for different reasons, but just, in my workplace, talking about the IGS to the younger members, they might not feel concerned, oh, why would I join the IGS? Well, just because, the information you might get, the tools you might get, the opportunities to go to conferences and different training. So making them feel concerned will make them be members. What success would look like in terms of diversity is, if around the project team, to me, how I would translate it is when somebody in my team, when everybody in my team would tell you that they feel like they own the project, that they're an integral part of the project, and that they feel that they feel involved, really, to the fullest extent. Not just that because it's their work, because they feel that they're making a difference and that they're being considered to the level and actually feel like they're being brought up to a different level. They're growing as an individual and as a professional in the projects. The day that all our colleagues, younger ones, older ones that come from different backgrounds, feel that they can grow within an organization, within a project, and that they feel that they've accomplished something, then we've reached our goal.